In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button to a Facebook page in 2026. First, sign into Facebook and open the Facebook page where you want to add the WhatsApp button. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Add WhatsApp. Next, click Add WhatsApp to begin the setup process. Facebook will ask you to enter the phone number you want to connect to the page. After that, enter your WhatsApp number, including the correct country code, and continue to the next step. Now, follow the instructions provided by Facebook. You may receive a verification request or confirmation code through WhatsApp. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone and complete any confirmation steps that appear. This is used to verify that you own the phone number you're connecting to the Facebook page. Once the verification is complete, return to Facebook and finish the setup process. Your WhatsApp account will now be connected to the page. Finally, visit your Facebook page and make sure the WhatsApp button is visible. Visitors will be able to click the button and contact you directly through WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a WhatsApp button to a Facebook page in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.